The TPMS warning light on your Lexus NX200t dashboard alerts you when tire pressure falls significantly below the recommended range of 33 to 35 psi. Your vehicle uses direct TPMS sensors mounted inside each wheel to monitor tire pressure continuously. These sensors transmit signals to the vehicle's TPMS module, which activates the warning if pressure drops too low. Low tire pressure reduces fuel efficiency by up to 3% and leads to uneven tire wear, as shown in this fuel economy comparison. Addressing the TPMS warning light promptly is essential for your safety and vehicle maintenance. The TPMS needs resetting after adjusting tire pressures, as the system must recalibrate to recognize the new pressure settings. Resetting is also necessary after rotating your tires, since sensors move to different wheel locations and the system needs to recognize their new positions. When replacing a tire or sensor, a reset synchronizes the new components with the TPMS system. Overall, resetting ensures the system accurately monitors tire pressures and provides timely warnings. Before resetting the TPMS, ensure all tires are inflated to the recommended pressure listed on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. For the Lexus NX200t, this is typically around 33 psi for both front and rear tires. Use a reliable tire pressure gauge to verify the pressure in each tire before proceeding with the reset. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Locate the TPMS reset button. It's typically found on the lower left side of the instrument panel. Press and hold the TPMS reset button until the TPMS warning light on the dashboard blinks 3 times. This indicates that the system has entered reset mode. After initiating the reset, drive your Lexus NX200t at a speed greater than 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes. This allows the ECU to relearn the tire pressure sensor values. The TPMS light should turn off automatically once the system is successfully recalibrated. If the TPMS light doesn't turn off after driving, first double-check that all tires are inflated to the correct pressure shown on the door placard. If the problem continues, a sensor might be faulty, especially in older 2014-2017 models where sensors can wear out over time. Sensor batteries typically last between 5 and 10 years before needing replacement, which could cause the light to stay on. Consider visiting a mechanic for professional diagnostics, or use smartphone apps integrated since 2022 for basic checks to identify issues. TPMS sensors in the Lexus NX200t can fail due to several reasons. The most common cause is battery depletion, as sensors have a lifespan of 5 to 10 years before their internal batteries die. Physical damage from road impacts or potholes can also break sensors. Corrosion or buildup from exposure to elements can further compromise their function. When a sensor fails, it must be replaced. This typically requires removing the tire from the wheel at a service center. Replacement costs range from $300 to $500 per tire. After replacement, you'll need to perform the TPMS reset procedure to synchronize the new sensor with the vehicle's system. TPMS technology continues to evolve. Future trends include AI-enhanced systems that predict tire life. App-based resets make the process more user-friendly. Remember, proper resets prevent 70% of TPMS-related warranty claims. Adhering to OEM reset procedures yields a 98% success rate.